strap out. You won't come off.
Yeah, go.
Holy fuck. That's strong.
Dude, it just has to break here, man.
Like this?
Yeah. There you go. Ah, just leave it. We just need that part, man. Just.
Okay, it's out of the way.
Yeah, there we go. Now we can get this. That thing's fucked. Maybe get stuck.
He's dead, bro.
Do not hit the deer.
Oh, fuck. Don't you dare! Yo! What? What are we doing? Yeah. Yo, don't you dare! No, 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 no! Yo! Yo!
What's it doing?
I don't know.
Lying on us.
Yo! He screwed us down here, man. That's what I mean. This thing was fricker to the max, man.
No. No.
Did you screw us?
This is.
Did you screw us up?
Oh. We're back. We're back.
Just don't launch it down that hill.
Traction active. I don't know what that means. We're gonna. Where's the traction? I seen it somewhere. Oh, there's our button. Hey, right in the reverse. Right in the reverse.
Oh.
What?
Did you just kill it?
You can't go right in the reverse when we're driving? Come on, man.
Nah. Look at that view. Okay, don't. Dude, yeah. Yo, chill, dude, chill. Yo, no, yo, chill. No, the hill's coming, man. Chill, yo. Dude, I'm not wearing a seatbelt, man. Yo. This is more scary on camera. I mean, in person than camera. Dude, seriously, chill. Yo. Don't you dare. Holy shit, I don't know how wearing a freaking seatbelt, man.
Everyone hold on tight.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
All this fat old. What if somebody's coming, man? Dude, no. Somebody could be coming. No. Fucking no. Yo. No, this thing's just getting clapped. Tomorrow we'll hit it at the jump and we'll go. Don't you dare! These wheels are freaking meant to just fall off any moment. I swear to God.
They're still on. Dude, I think this thing maxes out at 120. I don't know if we'll go past it.
Yo, this thing's like it's giving her its all.
Ready? Brake test, everybody.
Oh shit!
Ready?
Yep. Slam that brakes, dude. Yeah, the brakes are pissed at us,
This
yo.
is big old rock.
Holy shit. Alright, Parker right here with the others.
He's like, chill. Every light.
This thing just hates us. Give me this shit, you fucker.
Give
Give me the keys back.
I left my window down.
Yo, you caught that so smooth. Dude, let's see how many series we can get with this thing. It went.
You leaking anything? No?
No, we're still surviving.
Still, just a little bit of
There's the other jerry can for it. What the heck? She's, yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that little stream. She's leaking. Jesus. Dude, wait, that's what I did with the other door and then it stopped working. And it stopped opening.
Listen. I had a little bit of air.
There you go, man. Yeah, she's still alive.